Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change houses in Brookhaven. So you will need to wait around 10 minutes once you spawned a house that you want. So I think it's been 10 minutes already, I'm not actually sure. But to change your house, you are just going to select this icon here. As you can see, I still have 5 more minutes to be able to change this house to another house. So you're just going to wait until the timer runs out, and you're just going to basically select like the other house that you want. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can change houses in Brookhaven. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!